Pag nasa Baguio kami, ito yung lagi namin binabalikan na resto. Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes walk from Burnham Park. And dati siyang Kanto Bogchi and ngayon Kanto. So sikat dito yung barbecued pork ribs nila. So yun yung lagi namin ino-order. Actually maluwag and malaki yung restaurant nila kaso maraming tao lagi. And laging pila yan. So much better agahan ninyo. So yan very cozy, homey. So usually yung mga restaurant dito sa Baguio is wala talagang aircon since malamig yung weather. So ito yung menu nila. So marami silang choices dito like kare-kare, pochero, kalyos, chicken pastel. Meron din silang chicken, may dessert. Pero kami lagi namin in-order is yung famous nila na barbecued pork ribs using lomo. Kung meron kang choice, it's either half slab, whole slab, or yung family slab. So yung order namin is yung family slab. Good for 3 to 4 persons and then kasama na dun yung cascade salad which is yan yun. Very refreshing and ang sarap niyan. Ang sarap din ng hot choco nila dito. And this one, favorite din namin yung potato croquette. Yung kasama niyang salad, masarap din yan. So, sa isang set, it's either brown rice or mashed potato. So yan, full of the bone yung ribs nila. Sobrang sarap and juicy. So yun lang lagi in-order namin dito, isang set na yan. Good for 3 to 4 persons. And then mag-add na lang kami ng drinks. So yan, kung nasa Baguio kayo or pupunta kayo ng Baguio, don't forget to drop by dyan sa Kanto. So yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!